we live in a complex society where cities face many challenges. Research shows that food insecurity, homelessness, and other key metrics are on the rise in the world's urban centers. As a result, public services like shelters, food pantries, and health clinics are facing increased demand. As more residents rely on these services, it is crucial to engage this population in the civic process and make it easier for these at-risk people to affect change in their communities. To this end, we have created WeSources, a data visualization and communication tool that facilitates a data-driven dialogue between residents and policymakers. WeSources is designed to be accessible and inclusive for everyone who cares about their city. We understand that not everyone has access to a VR headset, but over 90% of American adults have a smartphone. That's why we created an AR mobile app using Snap's Lens Studio that gives citizens access to powerful data visualizations in a 3D representation of their city, allowing users to locate and contact public services in their local communities. In addition, our mobile users have the ability to send messages directly to their city administrators by using our integrated messaging framework. We're bringing the power of civic engagement directly to your pocket by empowering everyone to have a voice and providing feedback and alerting issues to their city officials. Using the Meta Quest, we have also created a powerful spatial computing solution for city administrators and policymakers. Our enterprise users can access powerful data visualizations complete with various geographical points of interest. Users can use the map's filter function, which is organized by the relevant United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, to analyze the data they are most interested in. Most importantly, our mixed reality solution displays comments sent in by residents and enables policymakers to review and reply directly to the issues they raise. The data is updated in real time and reflects the input and impact of both user groups. Our platform serves as a bridge between these two audiences. By using WeSources, policymakers and citizens can collaborate and communicate more effectively and create more informed and inclusive solutions for the city. Our application is not only a data visualization tool, but also a platform for civic engagement and social innovation. We're excited to present WeSources. Thank you for watching.